Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's having a happy Mother's Day. Respectfully, my mom passed away in '99, so I don't really celebrate it, but happy Mother's Day to everybody out there who's a mama. I'm up on the roof of the old van. I decided to put one of the three 200-watt panels on here to go with the other one that was already on here. Since I have a 40-amp charge controller in both vans from Rich Solar, and I have 8 Rich Solar 200-watt panels, I decided both vans are going to have a 400-watt solar panel kit. So today, I took off the old cable entry housing that I had for a single wire from a few years ago when I put that up here, and it was on here good. But I recently got one of the Rich Solar cable entry housings for the 2-wire system, and I'm going to be gluing that down. And I brought a tool bag up here to set on it for weight to hold it. Here's my new panel. It's sitting face down on top of my old panel. After I set this down and get it all set and ready, I'll start measuring and drilling holes. I've got a crossbar over here going from one of my roof rack crossbars to the other, and I'm probably just going to have to make me some brackets to mount the solar panel brackets to around this side. I'm probably going to have to cut that bolt as well, but that's no biggie. Had to put some new cable ends on these the old panel because I took them off and had them twisted up in a wire. I originally had a 4-lead trailer wire through the roof with 2 of the wires used for the panel and a couple of the other wires for lights and such, but now I'm doing things correctly. So this is today's project. Put 400 watts worth of solar on the old van, because I will still be living in this van. I gotta go somewhere for a month, and the other van's not road ready yet, so I'm gonna be taking this one. And I'm thinking about putting one of my SOK batteries in here as well. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this a little bit. Okay, good, that stuff hasn't set yet. It's always a pain when you get a tip of glue and it's already set because it was used before. So anyway, I'm gonna work on this for a little while. Turn the music back on. I'll let y'all know how it goes.